Hello, good day to you. Today we'll be talking on how to switch fund managers on Cowrywise. Though on the app there is no direct switch manager button, but you can instantly move your active money from one manager to another. So instead of changing fund managers, it requires you selling the units from your current fund manager and buying another unit in a fund offered by your new preferred manager. So this is what you do. The first step is to log in into your app and you tap the invest button. Once you have tapped it, you go into where you have your investment. So whatever investment that you have deals with your current manager, you have to sell all of your units, and you have to sell 100% of your units so you can liquidate your account. So you choose Starch as your preferred payout destination. You confirm the transaction by logging in, like putting in your 4-digit PIN. So that is the first step. So the second step for us to do is what? You proceed to your Starch. Under your Starch, you make sure your money has been paid there. Then you go back to the home page. Under the home page, click on invest again. So on the invest tab on the home screen, you choose your preferred category of funds you want to do. Let's use this for example. You can see different types of investment that you have. So you choose your preferred one and you choose your specific mutual fund or manager you want to switch to. Once you have tapped it, then you click on invest now or buy units. Enter the amounts you wish to invest, and also you choose Starch as your payment method, so you can use it to redeem the funds as you did in the first step that we said. You have to confirm this with your PIN. So that is how you go about how to change your manager on Cowrywise.